Do you ever feel like you are constantly running around the house just to flip switches or manage simple power points? It is a common frustration when your home setup feels a bit stuck in the past. This 8-channel Wi-Fi controller acts as a central brain for your 12V or 24V devices, helping you modernize those older systems without replacing the entire hardware setup. Home automation 8-channel appears as an option in the smart electronics space. The important part is whether its role matches your actual use, not just whether the title sounds promising. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Most household smart plugs are for AC power, but this module specifically targets low-voltage DC applications. It is built for those niche jobs like LED lighting strips or small motor controllers. It may make sense if you are comparing options related to controller and want something practical enough to fit your routine or setup. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Because it connects via Wi-Fi, you can link it directly to your existing Tuya Smart app. This gives you instant access through your smartphone or voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant. Useful clues to review include category/context, smart electronics, 12V, 24V, Wi-Fi, function, controller, use case, home. If a detail is unclear, treat it as something to verify rather than a guaranteed feature. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerate. If you are a hobbyist or someone who enjoys setting up custom home automations, this module is worth checking out. It turns complex, manual tasks into simple, automated routines. Check size, compatibility, selected variant, visible material or design details, and usage conditions. These small checks often prevent the wrong purchase. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Before you commit, take a look at your existing power setup. You will need to be comfortable with basic wiring and ensure your power supply matches the 12V or 24V requirements of this board. It is worth noting that this isn't a plug-and-play device for everyone. If you are not familiar with low-voltage wiring or if you are looking for a simple AC wall plug, this might not be the right fit. With a significant discount currently applied, the price sits around $20. It is a reasonable investment if you have multiple channels that need simultaneous smart control. Before treating home automation 8-channel as a quick buy, start with the real problem. Does it reduce a practical friction, or does it only look useful in the listing? The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. If your goal is to organize your low-voltage tech into one smart ecosystem, this module provides a clean and efficient way to do exactly that. A useful product should not only look good, it should feel reasonable to use, store, set up, and understand in your actual daily situation. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. Take a moment to review the technical specs and compare your device needs against the 8-channel capacity. Check the links for the latest updates on this setup. Home automation 8-channel appears as an option in the smart electronics space. The important part is whether its role matches your actual use, not just whether the title sounds promising. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim.